wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Divya Jumaya. I will present the meeting for why is it important to solve problems at work? The workplace is a place where you spend much of your time. Of course, the place must be made as comfortable as possible in order to work comfortably. However, to does not rule out the possibility of conflict between employees or between employees and superiors. Usually, when dealing with conflict employees that to feel afraid and uncomfortable, think about how to solve the problems and blame others for the problems at hand. People can get trust. People can get trust means by listening to the wishes various parties, the exhorting solution able to set their fate all parties as well as all parties involved what their company are and what expectation of all parties. Why try to understand them so that someone can get out of the problems involved. Work does not get done. Work does not done meanings in going something that has been a statement to the boss, so that the work must be done and must be complete on time, so that many employees are unable to their work on time. The solution is to ask for help. Can start asking for help for supervision. Convey the problems as it is and don't complain to the boss. People are unhappy at work. People are not happy at work. A lot of people or fellow employees dislike each other, so that the problems of employees conflict with coworkers is always there in every company because every employee has a different character. For example, when you try your best to be kind, but every debate will end up completed and prevent a project for being executed on time. The solution eliminated ago. You don't have to like the coworkers. You don't have to win every argument, but you always have to be able to work with. Remember that you are under the same company. They niche, even if you feel it won't break the ice. Ask yourself if there is anything about the coworkers that you admit and can praise, so that people who don't like a work can like and support each other. Accidents can happen. In incidents, it can happen. We don't panic. General, the first reaction when a problem, accident occurs is panic. When you panic, you will become so as and that you can think clearly. When your mind is not clear, then creativity is lost. Meanwhile, a calm mind and creativity are needed when there is a problem to identify the cause of the problem and find a solution. Every human being can create accidents or problems at work. You accidentally make a very fatal accident and jeopardize the company image. Solution: quickly inform your boss about your mistake. Don't let your boss hear from the other party because later you will be seen as an irresponsible person. explain that you explain that you feel very quality about the mistakes you made. Say you understand the impact your action on the company image. Explain how you can minimize the effect and ensure that mistakes are not repeated. Contract can be lost. The contract can be lost, meaning that if same work contract has been signed by the employment, it means that the employment has agreed the various term of work profit by the company. Therefore, employment should work in accordance with the agreed contract. Likewise, vice versa, that the company should profit what is the right of the employment in accordance with the agreement that has been made and contained in the work contract. The assignment of a work contract is indeed important, and this is even a reference for a placement encourage out their work. With this, work must perform the tasks that have begun assignment upon, so as not to lose the contract that is carried out. People live, not work. People or employment leave their jobs, and there are various other reasons the reinforce and employment their desire to leave their jobs. The following are some of them that are interesting for you to know. Salary in education to make ends meet. A bigger salary is also a form of have a company values your abilities and experience. Conflict has been explained that conflict is something that cannot be avoided in the work of work due to incompatibility, the co-work or superiors in opinion, difference in characters or other things. Okay, thank you your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.